West Harbor's home to our local yacht club and Coast Guard station. The yacht club sponsors a lot of sailing and tennis activities, including learning to sail a program for kids. Up ahead of us, the point of land is McCown Point. The large group of green roof buildings is the Department of Marine Resources. That's a state-run marine biology lab. They do a lot of research in the Gulf of Maine and around the region. The Maine State Aquarium is also located here. They're open Wednesdays through Sundays, 10 to 3.